Hey, Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to share a page in Notion. So from your home page, you want to find the page that you want to share with someone on the left-hand side. So I'm going to click on my travel itinerary. So say I want to share this with someone. At the top, you might see that your page is set to private. So this means at the moment, only you have access to it. If you want to share it with other people, over on the right-hand side, you should see a share tab. So when I click into this, you have a few options. So one is I can type someone's email address in here and invite them. Another option is to go down to this general access tab. So when I click down, you have different options. So if I click on anyone on the web with the link, I can copy the link of this Notion page and give that to people, and they will be able to access this page. Remember that you have a few options here. What do you want that person to do with a page? So you can change that here. Do you want them to just view? Do you want them to comment? Do you want them to edit? Remember, you can change all these here. So do that before you share the page with someone. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.